Hey everybody, we got a different project we're going to be working on today. Hold on, let me grab it. What we got here is an air compressor. What we're going to do is we're going to tear it down and then we're going to completely clean everything and we're going to put it back together. We're going to rewire it. We're going to replumb it and make it like new again, because I bought this off of the internet and we're going to use this for my sandblaster. I do have a compressor, but it's a little tiny 2 or 3 gallon. I need a lot more air. So this does run. It works as it is, but it has a leak somewhere, I think, in the piping, and the cord is completely shot. It is literally falling apart. Look at that. I call this thing a widowmaker right now. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera, put it above me, and you can work with me and reassemble and disassemble and all that good stuff. So I'm going to put you up on a different stand, and I'll probably put it in fast forward mode so you guys can just kind of see. Something that takes me probably an hour or two will probably be minutes for you. So hang in there. We'll be right back. Just going to show you a quick what it looks like now, close up. I'm going to plug it in for you. Ready? Alright, we're back at it here. I have the tank over drying right now. I cleaned the tank. I purged it out with water multiple times. I'm going to let it dry, and then we're just going to put a coating of oil inside of it, just to get it all set up and ready to reassemble later in a couple days. This is our pump. I noticed when it was on the when it was running, when I showed it to you on the camera, it was wobbling. And here when I took a closer inspection, sure enough, we got a crack right in the wheel, right there. So we're going to take this off, and I'm going to look for another one. Might not be budging. Might have to grab my puller. Give me a second. Well, after getting the puller on there, it pulled right off. So at this point, I'm going to try to find this flywheel with the V-belt. I'm going to look for 2 new tires. And I got everything in the ultrasonic cleaner right now. And we will let that finish. And then I'm also going to possibly get a new pressure switch. So stay tuned for the next video of cleaning and reassembly of everything. Hey, it's Lou. We're back at it here. We're about to throw some paint on this compressor tank here. I got it smoothed out really well. We're not going to get all the paint off because I just sanded a little bit of everything just to get all the dead paint off. So I just picked up some apple red satin finish. Who knew that there was about 1 million different colors of red? So I'm probably going to fast forward this for you. Hey, it's Lou. We're back at it. I just took about a couple hours of cleaning and sandblasting the pump head and basically got all the loose paint off and just completely went around it and got all the old grease, all the all the grease out of the old crevices. At this point, we're just going to give it a good old paint job, and I taped up all the orifices on her, and we're just going to give it a good old paint. So I picked up some white paint here, and we're just going to give it a good shot here. So my wife tells me we should be calling this stuff spider killer, because I use it for destroying spiders in the garage. So, but it's just white paint. Alright, done deal. We'll let it dry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one of reassembly.